bekakwazi ukuthi vele kahle kahle umuntu othi simali imbalo wangitshela before ngena nalo logele etholethe bo bathi kimi ntwana ngiyakwazi ukuthi ukele uthi simali so seseleyo mali uyibizela ngathi hayi khuleka ntwana yami abantwana babela mizolo yabo njalo yabo
hayi mukeli yezo bafethu ukuthi sesizwe i-latest news abantu bafethu ma-100 posts around 881 bafethu watshontsha imali bafethu konke lema-cornflakes not forgetting the ice cream but bafethu this is opportunity bafethu opportunity ngophumisana sepera don't forget bafethu to subscribe bafethu we going on a little bit short break bafethu and we'll be back bafethu after bafethu. So Bafethu support Bafethu practices Bafethu don't forget Bafethu to come to the podcast Bafethu if there's something that you want to advertise and you want the people to see it Bafethu DM Bafethu if you want your event or whatever Bafethu that you're doing to be promoted whether it's a business you want something Bafethu we will do the promo code so that the people can come Bafethu and buy whatever you are selling we even advertise Ikuku Bafethu for your own information because we are chasing money so Bafethu make sure that you pull up in numbers before Bafethu we upgrade the prices Bafethu Bafethu, you can finish up the line Bafethu, we're still going on. That's why we saw selling man, the economic is now on. But what does this Bafethu, we rolling up? None. Bafethu, we are already to look at the Adams Cartel party. As last cut so Bafethu. Course boy, what do you have there for us Bafethu?
So there is this story about Amanda Papi. She was once close to Amapianist. I think some lesson going and what happened now would see I say close to Amapianist. What's happening? What do you think is going on? Like, what happened to them? But or the you know we see Amanda Mazananja.
Oh, like they separated.
Yeah.
Because if I'm 100% sure, I think Uteti started this squad saying a massive savings, but now they've even multiplied 7 more than 15. There are so many. I don't know which are 7 manga. Maybe I think maybe so damaged or something.
Why Lawan Bad chose by Tiny squad? You should not really possessing squad.
Sometimes they chose Manga squad in Pidinzi. But what do you think?
Mfethu mina to uthedi angasikhalisi ngimazi. Isikhe ubathibani uthedi kwangena emotweni yami. Ngakwazi ukuthi uthedi edlala imask mfethu. Yabona imask le mask bedlala imask. Ngakwazi ukuthi uthedi leyo.
Yeah.
After that, Chichi, lo kuzenini, Amanda Papi, sevenza thing. Mara, asina,
What is name?
Yeah. So mina ngikwazi ukuthi kahle what's happened to Amanda Papi nama protest. Ile mfuna bayazi kahle ukuthi what's happened.
Amantombazane
yeah.
Isikhathi esiningi bahlukaniswa mhlambe uqabana or something or out mostly out lento lezi ukuthi out or this because amantombazane isikhathi they can't fight for utshwala njengamajita manje sesitshwala siyapulweni mara bona they can't fight for it should out or baxabene nje
if me and you Ghost Boy are friends and it's running business it's like we are neighbors yabo makhelwane so mas running business lapana when you are getting more customers more than mine but we are running the same business obviously so xabane at the end of the day because ngizobona yathi wena ngonjayilela phansi that's why mina ngicine senshift so maybe I think somehow omunye within the squad they be amafiti one was receiving more messages or DMs more than the other
but what's nice ntomazana enjoy into Chris ma DM engewaphendula
abezibone blind ndoda
for how long
abezibone blind
ntomazana let me say this mantomazana lapho babukele you can't be blind forever or even you can't be blind for unyaka from January to December futhi ayenzeni yona khona isikhathi lapho bethu uzovithika khona and for sure nonke nalo ohleza tshela abantu uzovithika naye uzovithika bazovithika vele that's a fact
but uthi vele emhlabeni sivithikile so
amantombazane ayavithika abafana amavithika uvithika also ne-HIV or if so ungaziphathi kahle if out ukhona amavithika but intombazane it's a must ukuthi avithike she likes it or not
cabanga sidla umuntu ovithikileyo
phela nacabanga wena manje phela futhi usazorejuvenate imali usazoba nemali usazoyini so uya rejuvenate umzimba wakho like yabona ugcina uso-right intombazane fethu noma engaka-rejuvenated so kumele avaye ufake isinduna nto abo-wanti indlovu angisho bakhipha ama-ribs you heard about this sorothi ama-ribs wakhe so just imagine better so remove ama-ribs wakho just of beauty and in iqeda ingakufanele lento leyo futhi phela mostly abanye bafanele into
and that's money, chief. Not of money, too much money, too much.
last time we checked I think it was more than 10K angisho
It's the lowest. Maybe that price doesn't even exist.
uhleli like Jozi 10K uyithatha phela most of us ngifethu asina 10K sitting around nje
But why is it that amantomba ring?
Yabona cospoiling imizwe isho since i-10K manje ayisamini next masingabhiki R100 asikhulume ngemali encane ke masingabhiki R100 akusekho imali enjalo R100 once waba ne-R100 manje yini oyisebenzisa for R100 asikhulume nge-R100 ke use 1000 R100 ayisamini next but ngithenga R100 ebhodlela next
ngoba wena mthola futhi ukuplanela ibhodlela ngecash obviously kumele ugawule
obvious
so udinga $300
yeah yabo le uthi ngesikhuluma ngayo
you can't buy it off
before yabo ayisami
it off 5 mm.
You can't buy it
and sometimes in life ungazibona usuthenga impuphu lezi ezingama 1 kg 1.5 you are not living. You are very far. You are far from living.
Yeah.
If mawuthi impuphu lokho uthi ufake ekhwapheni o ejacketini mawubona ama visit uloda umuntu ayivele ingekudle ntoni. Yabo sasekhatshana yes. But lezani impuphu I feel like you are spending more money sometimes.
Yeah.
Do you know it's better to buy unlimited data that is for 500 rand other than ukuthi ubuhlala ukhipha ama 50 rand every after 3 days yabo so imali yakhona leyo yabothenga kancane then accumulate when you calculate it at the end of the day.
Hey ngenzeka from manje there is this story about unaleti ngolwethu I think you know that because I had a rumor about they are rotating my issues. Back and Avanta.
Ngoba ndaba mfethu
Okay.
Ngoba ndaba mfethu.
Izokutshela something
Yeah.
Unaleti girlfriend yakhe. Njengoba sikhuluma manje unaleti girlfriend yakhe. Kahle sokunesikhathi nyana sijoli yabo. So angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Iziningi izinto ezenzakala ngalomntwana and iziningi indaba eziphuma from abanye abantu ngitho but base yuveli stuff yabo that's what bengibuza ukuthi kahle what's going on you
okay let me tell you very
yeah
yuveli it's associated to abuchi
zalo cosmetic alright shabay alright cospo alright cospo akhuluma iqiniso mfethu lami iqiniso njengomjidi angisabi ukuthi ngazi ukuthi yuveli kahle kwenza kanjani because now I need to know the truth
if you want to settle down
yeah
don't settle down for these chicks around don't tell you why
ama chicks kahle mawuthi ama chicks amahanda awasejozi or like you're including
like
all the people.
Soweto, Jozi, Pitori.
Yeah.
It's very rare ukuthi uthole umuntu right. Sekangaba right for 2 months. Uzobuya bed.
Gospel. As mina I think ukuthi ngcono uthole umuntu ongawazi ukuthi kahle ekasi lakhe udume ngani kwenzakalani ngaye.
Uzoduma achange.
Yeah, khona iqiniso ne but mina the way I prefer ukuthi like ngithola umunye umuntu ne angazi ukuthi ePitori udume ngani yangisola wenza kanjani yabona eJozi siyazi ukuthi ebone chozi amna ngcono ukuthi abageli basechozi bangizonde guys ebone chozi chozi lana kusela gelo right lana kusela gelo right yabona lana sonke la
yazi mina advice ne umjida ne yabona ugeli mara wena une foundation ne ungathola ugelo ngina foundation now yabo thola la ugeli oyenza something la elifini so that you can equal it's not 50-50 ukuthi maybe ngizobe njani ngizothi 50-50 ku relationship leyo sobe contribute mara thola ugeli now oseyakhe foundation so ngathi elifini if
ayoyenza ama ukap is not something on Facebook ama ukap
But have you ever realized when you talk about this thing about couple Facebook ihlaba abantwana abaningi because I feel like it's staying in ingqondo zabo ukuthi the only way or the only source that we can earn money with is through hookups.
But ama housing I don't know why it's ama housing. I think most ama house were pretty different. Like nice amount were built ukuthi sebenze ngotama sebenze mfethu umali ngishona ngokusebenza
but kodwa MK ungcono ukuthi uyethengisa ama ice mints izwitsi ama toffees ama chips ama jiggies other than kuyavula inyawo ungcono yechiswa lilanga nje uthengisa i-starter pack kulokuthi uhambe le ndoda uyevuliswa awazi lo muntu lo uhlabayo ukuthi umuntu onjani even the Nigerians they are there so
iyo excuse ukuthi mina ngidinga imali ngokuvula inyawo
ifast imali kiwe ntwana yakho
hayi mara
ifast imali
kibo
ikunani
imali phezulu
mara chief look
after that
but good news to everyone, good news apparently Mbafethu ku Facebook we just received amagama list of abantu abayenza ama hookup wesiya grooving ye 29 and on the next episode don't miss out because ziyabe all the list yonke we are taking it down njengo X resfok X unama X amaningi thina sebe replace amatic
so so afethu the ama ukap like just look at it this way there's a video ngibona intombazana akakhuluma or umama sort of like she was doing like ama ukap whatever ngibona into zokudayisa she said like obviously my intombazana unayodayisa umjita kunikeze 10k. Do you think yeah 10k is just 10k nje ukubonga or that 10k is just 10k ukubonga for something I achieved in the mukshena something because umjita ramazolana nawo he swapped something and ukshare something uthatha something from there is more to benefit
gospel njengoba ngikhuluma ntwana yami ne ukuthi i10k ne it means nothing to
mara bona they
esazi ukuthi vele kahle if ubuyazi 100 rand ukuthi mawuna 100 rand it means nothing to you yangizwa but so abogeli abaningi mostly like abakwazi ukuthi 10k abakwazi mawuthi ne10k basitshela ukuthi mebhule something big 10k ngeke uzingicumele nge10k
mfethu wena ungaba le million ithi ngqokizaza ungaba le million udle 1 rand from 1 million you are no longer a millionaire you are no longer a millionaire you are out of the millionaire so you are not a millionaire
izodleka ubeka bank ibank izodeduct ama charges uzoyidla vele so
you understand
njalo njengoba ayala unemali correct you remember the way they were celebrating smart Guluva so is it Guluva smart or smart Guluva
sweet Guluva
sweet Guluva
it's the sweet like the guy went to Mark G podcast he was talking about ukuthi the reason why it ended up being sweet Guluva is because at first he wanted to be another Guluva but So Instagram gokugcwele like Makuluvu on that other name he wanted to be the Kuluvu yabo. So he ended up thinking ukuthi I don't know how is it parent related bemtshoti na blind ebafazini yabo. Then he ended up calling himself sweet.
Oh,
so he's sweet. So he's a sweetheart. So yeah.
Do you think that guy is still a millionaire now?
I don't know if it maybe.
No, but
I don't know why, but
maybe
the financial say
advisor something. It's actually something. Maune mali you don't need support liyani ukuthi we must support to ubani yangithola. Manje noma ungangena no ku TikTok vote for Sweet Kuluva, vote for Sweet. Why?
Yeah.
Why this thing man? Why?
Let me tell ngibuza ngoba
Why this thing
bathi engena
why kumele ngivotele kunayi ba?
Ngicela ngena usho ebele girlfriend.
Yeah.
Then wasekhetha ama feelings siyaphuma la sewena ishone lo ageli lo wabehamba live ukuthi ugelo lo obela ushone uzolokhuza uzoba nje uzoqhubeka nalo geli. No, akade naye usho. What about ugeli akade naye before siba nemali.
Kwenzakalani?
There's so much that there's this thing okumele singayenzi ukuthi to change if so nemali to change for abantu obophila now because you can go from zero to hero, from hero to nothing. And nothing is below zero.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. I'm sure that's the way of the day this week. But Nina said, what ungajikela abantu obuna
that's something like it's between wena zabi wena face shakasi guys abantu abangisuka la bafana
okay naleti this is space
zamani kahle ngingisejole sihlukene yabo mara masihlukana indaba yokuthi pregnant isisakazeke yabo lesi esakazeke
Senhle Junior. Senhle Junior le amathathu lo engathi nyama.
Isistress ngisakho ntwana yabo. Nayo postile yabo into ezinjalo yabo postile ntwana sharp usezoba
time
soon yabo. So mina bengena ndaba nakho ukuthi usenhle and staff incwadi yakhe. Bengena ndaba nazo izinto lezi yabo. So into ndaba nayo ukuthi ngoba ngitshela nogeli yabo ugeli akazange ngitshele kahle ukuthi usenhle umithisi yabo find out izinto lezi or at least ukuthi sisiyajula vele yabo so bengeke ngimlahle ngenxa ukuthi opregnant yabo so continue ngale nto leyo yabo so mara ngiyabona ukuthi lapho umntana lo wake khuyimi yabona uchathe nesenhle full time more than me yabo so ngcono njani a continue nosenhle but ngiyezwa ukuthi kahle base UVL kahle kwenzakalani angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani UVL
ziyathatha
afake UVL ukuthi UVL lasabuza ngayo kahle ukuthi UVL what's going on yini kahle kwenzakalani
operator
kwenzakalani UVL yinto etemfingbazi ukuthi UVL kwenzakalani
ba operator lapha bojini
Marusirile brother kuposo wabambi ibhathi mfethu
cabanga nje mase bakwamisa
mina bengazi ukuthi kahle umntwana ophethile yabo so mina bengelayo yazi mfethu nawe ubona ukuthi umntwana lo une the way angichazele ngaye ngichaza story sakho ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngaye kanjani yabo the way yena ngichazele ngaye nami ngithi ukuthi ngiyasiza
so chifu how is it like you to usmesh umntwana opregnant sisa somini Kopa ilihlo. Wayechayini.
I thought they were no fucking yaw. Ngiyabona ukuthi anginendaba naye mina nginendaba nesisisene ngisakanibani ngithola angindawo ukuthi usenhle ngokwakhe indaba zakasenhle ngokwakhe ngeke ngibhekana naye ukuthi umntwana ugeli kahle mangithi umntwana ngikhuluma ngogela ngikhuluma ngomntwana esisakasenhle ngikhuluma ngogela so mangithi umntwana ngikhuluma ngogela so mina ngibhekene naye ugeli hayi umntwana kasenhle usenhle bezozibona ngengane yakhe yangithola so mina ngibhekana into efuna ukubhekana nayo kahle manje ngoba kuthiwa bayatrenda la UVL yeah balahlekile abalandayo yokuhlala nayazi leyo iziningi izinto engizwayo kuthiwa bayatrenda la eValley yabo so uthi batrenda kanjani mina ngazi
hayi uValley primary inkulu into enzekana
inkulu kodwa akusala eValley
uValley baba kunyaka kunyamalala abantwana kunyamalala uValley there's a lot
gospel once wajump wasise uValley one isingaba nkulu kodwa uValley one you understand
into ezenzakalayo ezenzakala
uValley uValley mangise uValley kwenzakala into i1 you understand mangise uValley abantu laba sivile bayakwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani
yeah very baba
mangise bayakwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani
yes very uValley imayilas those places
le ilas na itsinkuthe
ilas baba yo ilas baba
seriously okay guys kunendaba yakavava mina wana no kahle easy kwenzakalani indaba yakavava kozuvava ngimazi esajula no Captain Noster yabo mabesajula
ubajolile
yeah bayabajola maybe me engilahlekile
no
it was posted officially and it was official so what's your question chief
yeah mina wanna know cuz like
so as you say like when I want to know indaba egown yone ngathi yakukhathaza kakhulu
guys mina wanna know ukuthi kahle
what's going on like
yabo so like angeke ukuthi ubaba uyaposta ku Captain Noster aqoka amagawu jiji sakajola lentona leyo lethu you understand ulethu beka iGorumani sinini naye saka iIrishman yambona ulethu ngikhuluma ngane yeah like umntwana into zakho zenza green sharp so into engizuzana ukuthi umntwana yena uthini ngaleyo into leyo ukuthi okay uCaptain uyarelate no vava sebenzana ama best friend manje
so yeah I feel what you're saying and I'm fully spooning I just come behind the back no vava you know so I think we'll wait for it as a response so respond ukuthi
what's happening on episode
42 so stay tuned for the episode 42 is going down and MK wants to know ukuthi kwenzakalani phakathi kwakhe no Nostra and lo lethu since there was a type of
ulethu guys Steve ulethu le ndaba engayithole kahle ulethu angazi kwenzakalani lesipolo B guys mina nami wona ngomntana ukuthi kwenzakaleni lethu wena ubamba intombi angazi ubamba intombi ubamba intombi wenzakala nangazi awana no cuz nami ngimjida mfethu
also lethu lesipolo B there was something
yeah ulethu lesipolo B apparently upostile yangithola so uposti elo lethu yabo seninisa kajola lo vava
indaba zanini
bengisurprise ngambuze la sisipolo
indaba zanini
ukugcela maqeda ukulahlekela ingane njengokusho ukuthi usilahlekela ingane and mina le story lesa awusiphala kahle ukuthi ngisibhanga ngisithole kahle
into yakadisiye leyo
into yakadisiye nje manje February
like bra I'm
Valentine month
but again you can feel the vibe is going down umjida yena uthi ukhala ngengane yakho uthi ufuna kwazi ukuthi ingane yakhe kwahamba njani phakathi kukalethu lo sisipolo B since I don't know what maybe seems like there's a thing but at the same time he wants to know ukuthi uhamba njani phakathi kwavava lo Nostra and ulethu so since seems like what is a thing it's going down well. We are all over fighting, but Bafetu, we don't want to give you misinformation. Bafetu, stay tuned, Bafetu, for episode 42. That was Bafetu. Shout out to Nostra, Notola, shout out to Ghost Boy, shout out to MK, shout out to Wayne Bafetu, and this show is presented by your one and only love Bafetu, Pap Justice Bafetu, one